If you're starting from zero and you're looking for an online business in 2026, this is the one that I would recommend. The problem is most beginners start the wrong way. They're looking for an online business that's flashy or sexy, or because somebody on YouTube told them it was going to be easy, but they don't actually understand how the business model works. So I'm going to break down the main types of businesses that beginners usually start with, the pros and the cons for each one, and the one model that I believe gives beginners the best chance at success. So let me break down why most online businesses are hard for beginners. It really has to come down to the type of business that they actually are. Most beginners, they don't fail because they're lazy. They failed because they picked the wrong business to start with. Some of the more common business models that beginners tend to find here, especially here on YouTube, right? We have drop shipping, we have crypto trading, we have affiliate marketing, we have content creation. Those are some of the more common ones that you've probably been researching yourself. The problem with each of these is it requires an audience, it requires a ton of capital in some cases, it requires consistent selling, or it requires relying on an algorithm that you don't have a ton of control on. See, most beginners, they drastically underestimate how big of a challenge this is actually going to be when they start. There's three basic types of online businesses, and almost every single business that you're going to find while you're doing your research is going to fall into one of these three categories. We have service-based businesses. So that's anything like freelancing, consulting, coaching. And while these are fantastic ways to make a lot of money, they do require you to still give your time in order to make money. As soon as you stop servicing your client, you stop getting paid, which makes scaling them extremely difficult. Then you have audience-based businesses. So this would be anything that you need an audience for. So for example, selling something on TikTok, creating YouTube videos, doing anything on social media really. They're audience-based. You have to have people watching you in order to make money. Now, the pro on that is it's phenomenal because there's like literally unlimited income potential with it. However, the big con is the growth is usually extremely slow, and so many people give up before they actually find any sort of real success. Building an audience, just like trust, takes time. It's not going to happen overnight. Then we have the third type, and it's like product-based businesses. So anything like e-commerce, like Amazon FBA, Shopify. We could throw drop shipping in there as well. Anything where you're going to be selling a physical product to a person. Biggest pro for this, it's extremely scalable. You can do it from anywhere in the world, and you can sell as much product as you possibly can take on inventory for. But then that brings us to the con. It's inventory. You have to have an actual physical product to sell. In order to have inventory, that means you have to order inventory. You have to have enough supply, which means you have to give cash up front before you even start making any sales. And then there's shipping, then there's customer service, and a whole bunch of other headaches that go along with those models. I don't know about you, but when I first started working online and starting my own online business, I was looking for something that was going to be extremely low startup costs. The learning curve was going to be very, very, very simple, and it was going to be scalable. And that brings us to exactly what I would recommend is Amazon publishing or Kindle publishing. So what exactly is Amazon book publishing? The simple way of understanding what book publishing is on Amazon is this. People are buying books on Amazon every single day, hundreds of millions of customers. All you do is you find the books that are already selling, you make another book that's better than that current book that's selling, you upload that file into Amazon, and then Amazon starts selling that book instead of the competitor's book for you, and then Amazon sends you a paycheck every single month. That's like the super, super simple way of explaining what Amazon publishing is. The beauty of this is Amazon handles everything for you. They handle all of the customer inquiries, all the returns, all the shipping, all the headaches that go along with having to ship a physical product. They handle all the inventory. There's not even that much because Amazon is all print on demand, meaning they don't actually print the books until the customer clicks, I want to buy that book. So there's very, very little, if no, inventory for Amazon to worry about. You simply focus on creating a product and a better product every single time, and Amazon does literally everything else for you. Hey, real quick, if you want to publish a book on Amazon and make money from it, I got this for you. I'm running a free 3-day publish and profit challenge. By the end of it, you'll have a book published on Amazon and making your first sales. I've been publishing for over 9 years. I've published hundreds of books, helped thousands of people do the same. If you don't know where to start, or you can't find a profitable topic, or you just don't want to waste time or money, this is for you. Day one is finding your topic, creating a book title, getting your cover locked in. Day two, it's all about building your book. It's doing the research, creating the outline, and writing your entire book. And then day three, polishing your book, publishing it on Amazon, and showing you how to generate your first sales. And this is free. I'm showing you the exact way to build this business without having to hide it behind a paid course. You're also going to get my free support group, and you're going to get the custom GPT that I built specifically to help you with this challenge. Just click the link in the description or go to publishingacademy.com/challenge. You'll get an email. It'll be the link to get into the SKOOL group. In the classroom section, everything's laid out. Go do it now. So one of the main reasons this works so well is because of how big Amazon already is. Amazon has hundreds of millions of customers buying products from them literally every second of the day, 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. There are people buying from Amazon. They have the structure in place. They have the credibility in place. And all we're doing is putting our product on there so we can help take advantage of that credibility that Amazon already has. We don't have to, Joe Schmo, come over to our questionable Shopify shop that they found on Instagram. They're going to Amazon. They're going to one of the biggest names in the industry. So they know, hey, if I enter my credit card info here, if I buy a product from here, I know I'm going to be getting that product in a couple days, sometimes the same day. And I know if I have any problems with it, I'll be able to return it. So you've eliminated all of that by piggybacking on Amazon's platform. So you're building up products inside a marketplace where customers already exist. You don't have to go chase customers. You don't have to go out and wonder, where am I going to find any customers who are going to buy this particular book? Because you do the research ahead of time, and we only publish books based on books that are already selling online. How does the income actually work for Amazon Publishing or KDP Publishing? It's simple. Most people think that you need a best-selling book in order to make any money with book sales. And yeah, maybe 20 years ago, that was what it was. You had to write a best-selling book. It had to be on like the New York Times bestsellers list or whatever the case is. That's not the case anymore. Now we use this strategy called title stack. And what it is we strategically publish books based on certain topics, based on the research that we get from Amazon's own website that tells us these are the books that are currently selling right now. These are the books, how much money they're making. And then we go ahead and publish books on those particular topics. Sometimes you have 4 books making $250 each, and it's $1,000 a month. Sometimes it might be 5 books making $200 each. Sometimes you might just have 2 books making $500 each. Either way, there's a lot of different ways to make your first $1,000 a month with this business. When I was broke and hated my job and needed to find a way out for me and my family, Kindle publishing was the easiest first $1,000 I had ever made. It only took me 4 books. It might take you a bit longer. It might not take you a bit longer, but by far making that first $1,000 a month, I'll never forget it. It was December of 2016. I will never forget it. That's exactly what I did. I found some topics that are already selling. People were already buying these books on Amazon. And so all I did was do some research, make better ones, upload them, bada bing, bada boom. Amazon started paying me money. So why is this gold for beginners? There's no inventory, right? We covered that. Amazon's print on demand, so there's 0 inventory for you to worry about. There's no shipping. Amazon handles all the shipping for us. So we never have to worry about where our customers are, any of the shipping headaches, any of the logistics or anything like that. It's handled. Low startup costs. You can literally publish a book for 0 money. Like for $0. You can publish a book for $0 and have it making money on Amazon within 24 hours. I've done that. My students have done that. You can literally go do that like starting today. You can have a book by this time next day, tomorrow, making money on Amazon. It's literally that quick. And you get to work around your schedule, right? I got kids, wife, so we have a lot of things going on. So I'm able to work on the business at the times that I want to work on the business, or you work on it before your 9 to 5 or after your traditional 9 to 5, whatever the case is, you just get it done. And then eventually it's a business that you're able to work on while you're traveling the world, while you're doing whatever the case is. But I do want to explain some hard truths that I don't think a lot of people kind of talk about, either promoting or selling a course or whatever. But you need to understand, especially those of you who are coming into this for the very first time, like how I was in 2016, never run an online business before, never really ran my own business before, I have no idea what I was getting into. It's important that you listen up to this. This is not fast money. This is not get rich quick. This is like get rich slow. It will take you longer and you will face more challenges than you can possibly imagine in order to get this business going. But once it gets going, it just doesn't stop and it starts compounding faster and faster and faster. Your first book is going to take you a little longer than you expect. Now, we do have a 3-day program where you can complete your first book within 3 days. And caveat, that book is not designed to make money. It's just to prove to you that you can do it. But your first real book that you're going to do all the research for, and you're going to find a cover designer, and you're going to do all of these different things, the first book that's designed to make money, yeah, that's always going to take you a little longer than others because there's so many new things that you're going to be doing for the very, very first time. It's important to understand that and to accept that in the beginning rather than be surprised when you've been working on a book for a few weeks and you're like, why is this taking so long? It's so much harder than these YouTube guys made it look. We've been doing it for years. That's why it's easy for us. But it's going to be hard for you, just like it was hard for us back in the day. You're going to make mistakes and you're going to make a ton of mistakes. And I think that's okay. Believe it or not, there are people who come into my training and into my groups and onto YouTube and they think they're going to be perfect. And then they get so mad and frustrated when they just start making a whole bunch of mistakes, or they publish their book and they completely butchered it. They published it all wrong because whatever. But it's going to happen. It still happens to me. I still make mistakes. So as long as you're okay with making mistakes, this is a great business model for you. It's going to require you to level up your skills, right? Right now, you have a certain set of skills that have got you where you are in life, whether that's comfortable, whether that's dead broke, whether that's whatever the case is. The set of skills that you have is why you have the life that you have. In order to move past that and to get a new life, you must acquire new skills. The great thing is, everything is learnable. Everything is teachable. So you are going to have to just take the time to learn new skills in order to help this business grow. And once you kind of shift that mindset there, it's like, hey, I need to learn these new skills. I need to learn how to read the data so I can understand what's selling on Amazon. I need to learn how to hire a cover designer on like Fiverr, or I need to learn how to monitor my ads, even though I hate looking at numbers. When you accept that and you're like, it's probably going to take me like 2 months to learn how to do this, everything changes because in 2 months later, you have this new skill that you'll never lose. And it just starts compounding and everything starts moving a little faster for you. Now, if you're thinking, Rebecca, this sounds great, but how do I actually do this the right way? Well, here's what I can do for you. No, I'm not going to tell you to pay me. I am going to give you a free 3-day Publish and Profit challenge. What it is I'm going to walk you through exactly how to find a topic, how to write a book, how to publish a book, and then how to make your first dollar from that book within 3 days, guaranteed. That's what I'm going to gift you. It's a completely free program. And like I said earlier, the reason I have this, it's because I want to remove the one thing that stops most people from succeeding in this business, their self-doubt. So if I can remove that self-doubt by having you go through this program completely for free, then that's a big win, because then you know, hey, I can do this. And that's what I'm looking for here. So you'll find that link in the description. You probably already saw a little clip of that video, but you'll find the link in the description, or you go to publishingacademy.com/challenge. You can also go there and you're going to get a bonus support group where you'll actually be able to chat with me directly as well. So I can help you get that first book published and profitable up on Amazon completely for free. How cool is that? So guys, remember, the best online business isn't the flashy one. It's not the one with all the Lambos or living on the, I was going to say living on the beach. I'm living on the beach. Shit. We just moved here. It's not necessarily the flashy one, but it's the one with the right structure. And that's key. Now, if you want a little bit more insight on like how to write a book, check out this next video where I'm going to show you how to write an ebook in under 30 minutes using AI, and I believe it's ChatGPT. Go check out that video right now. Until next time, everybody, I'm Emeka. Peace.